A live look now out in Charlottesville, Virginia. Our first sign of snow entering the DMV as you see it there. You can see the snow on the ground, on the roads as well. It marks the start of the next couple of days, which will be very busy, no doubt. Our Alexis Wainwright continues our weather team coverage. Alexis, what are you seeing where you are right now?
Well, Larry, I can tell you we're seeing some of those small flurries come down right now. So we're starting to see a little bit more action here along H Street in Northeast. But we want to talk about the work that the crews are doing. I have the interim director of the DC Department of Public Works. I want to talk to you just about what your crews are doing at this hour. We've been seeing them up and down the streets all throughout the city.
Well, so we have crews doing a couple different things. As you can see across the street, we're in the midst of salting right now. And then as it relates to the cars, we do have the tow cranes out on the snow emergency routes, which we're on right now. They are ticketing and towing cars that are still in, even though we have the emergency declaration in effect.
Sure. Can we talk a little bit more about the importance of moving your car? Because as you mentioned, I want to clarify right here where we are, the sign says snow emergency route, no parking, but clearly people aren't listening because we still have some cars here. We've been seeing you guys tow up and down for the last 30 minutes. What is the main message to people who aren't listening?
Please get the cars out of the way so that the plows can get from curb to curb, so that once the snowfall reaches the point where we can plow, we have to be able to get the entire street clear. If your car's in the way, we can't do that. And then any car that's left here, with the temperatures going to be where they're at, where your car's at, it's going to be blocked in by the snow.
And as you mentioned, it makes it more difficult for you guys to do your jobs. Also, I know there's some consequences. Could you talk about some of the fines it sounds like people will be facing if they don't listen?
Sure. If your car is one of the ones that we have to tow, it's a $250 fine for being in the no parking zone during the declaration, and then it's a $100 relocation fee.
Okay, well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So again, the main message is to move your cars, make it easier for these crews, because again, they're trying to prepare for what's to come. So of course, we'll continue to stick out here and let you know more. But for now, reporting live in Northeast, Alexis Wainwright, we'll send it back to you, Larry.
Yeah, certainly the last thing people need is another ticket. So move your car as quickly as you can. Alexis Wainwright, thank you so much.